Hello, my name's Perry, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a part exchange on an order with a settlement. So let's jump in. So first thing you need to do is go into the stock record that you're selling. Then go into the sales status tab, press create and create the order. So you do that by searching for the customer, double clicking it, that will then bring up the order processing screen. From there you go to the part exchange tab and press add. Enter registration number and press VRM. If for whatever reason registration VRM lookup isn't working, you can press change and manually build the car. Enter the mileage. When the MOT expires, that will be populated on the stock record once entered. And then what VAT status is for the vehicle. So margin would be a used car that won't have any VAT applicable on the sale. Qualifying will be when you come to sell it, 20% VAT will be added onto the invoice. Margins worked on profit, so it's VAT on the profit and what you're making, so the difference between the purchase and the sale. Standing value, so that's how much you're bringing it into stock for, and the customer part X allowance, that's how much you're physically giving the customer as allowance against this sale. So we'll enter this as 5,000, exactly the same. So to create it with a settlement in the finance company, we just enter who the finance house is and the settlement value. So we're essentially selling the car for 8,000, taking the part X as a £5,000 allowance. Just to make it very easy in terms of maths, we'll just enter the settlement value as 3,000 and then an agreement number. So that'll be the finance agreement number, like so. Press confirm and then raise order. Like so. So once the order is created, it's now time to post the part X settlement. So to do that, you go into the part exchange tab. All of the settlement details will appear here. And now you press post settlement payment. So there's two different settlement types. There's Contra and Cheque. Cheque. So Contra settlement is usually used with a finance company for the part X. It's the same as what host deal is. What will happen there is the system will automatically clear the debtor. So it posts a Contra value onto the debtor. So there's no need to post the receipt at that point. The debtor will come to zero. Cheque is usually when the finance company for the part X is actually different. The customer will be physically paying to clear off that the finance. So in this scenario, we'll select Contra and then press post. Now, reviewing the debtors, you can see that what the system has done there is post receipt for the actual Contra settlement. Now let's raise the invoice and we can see what effect that has. So as you can see, it's all paid because nothing is actually is due from a customer. And that's how you post a settlement. Thank you for watching.